Welcome to our channel. Threading the needle in a simple way. Have you ever failed to thread a needle for some reason, or because of poor eyesight? In this video, we'll show you a simple way to quickly do this in the future. You will need twisted cable, plastic cap of the bottle, glue, awl, scalpel. Take some plastic cap from the bottle. Mark 2 drilling points in the middle on the bottom or top of the lid, spaced about 8 mm apart. Drill holes in the marked places with an awl or another tool with a diameter of about 1 mm. Remove the insulation from the stranded cable with a scalpel and cut off the thin, twisted copper wires about 8 cm long. Take one copper wire and bend it in the middle. Insert the ends of the wire through the holes of the upper part of the cover and connect them inside by twisting. Apply glue to the passage of the wire through the cover on the upper part and leave it to dry. After drying, straighten the twisted wire in the lower part of the cover, apply glue on the lower side and leave it to dry. The drying time depends on the type of glue. After drying, carefully flatten the tip of the wire with pliers or your fingers to a size that it can pass through the eyes of a needle. Copper wire does not bend like thread, and threading it into the eyes of a needle is much easier and faster. Thread the needle onto the wire, or the wire into the needle, and pull the thread through the front hole of the wire. Then, take the tip of the thread and pull it about 15 to 20 centimeters. Take the needle and pull it off the copper wire. With this method, the thread was successfully and quickly inserted into the needle. Please subscribe to this channel. Subscription is free. Thanks for watching.